Hi, I'm Madame Pamita. This is Madame Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you our Egyptian Queen spell kit and how to do a spell to bring in your mastery, to bring in your magnetism, and to bring in your confidence. This is what the Egyptian Queen spell kit is all about. So we have different colors that the spell kit comes in. If you wanted to, let's say, assert your mastery in terms of romance, you could choose a pink candle. If you wanted to increase your power in terms of your healing, you could use a blue candle. If you wanted to increase your power and protection, you could use a black candle. If you wanted to just increase your power in general, you could use a purple candle. If you wanted to assert yourself more in a court case or some legal matter, you could choose a brown candle. If you wanted to increase your blessings, a white candle. Your fame would be a yellow candle. If you wanted to increase that prosperity and your power in that area, a green candle would be great. And if you wanted to open up new ventures, open up opportunities and have some breakthroughs, you would use an orange candle. But we're going to be doing our spell today with a red candle. And a red candle is about passion. And so we're going to be increasing that magnetism in terms of pulling in your confidence, pulling in that queenly energy and attracting a romantic, passionate love into your life. So the things you're going to have in the spell kit are, of course, the candle itself. You're also going to get some Queen Elizabeth root oil, and that is an oil that is used to pull in that power, that confidence, that queenly energy. You're going to get some herbs, Master of the Woods, Queen Elizabeth, Calamus Root, and you're also going to get an herb that's just specifically for your intention to go along with the color of that candle. So the very first thing you're going to need to do is to pull together the other things that you need, such as a tray, which you're going to put the candle on, a tray or a dish. You're going to need some matches, of course, to light the candle. You're going to need a paper for a petition, so a petition paper, a pencil or a pen to write with, a nail or some other sharp implement so that you can write on the candle. Then you are going to begin. So the first thing you're going to do is to write your petition, and you're going to write that petition on your petition paper, whatever it is that you want. So for example, we're using a red candle, so may I attract a passionate love, right? Now you could attract somebody in particular, or you could just attract a love in general from someone you don't know yet. So you write your petition on your petition paper and then set that aside for now. Next thing you're going to do is to take that candle and you're going to inscribe your name along the base, or the name of the person that you are working on if you were doing this candle spell for someone else, for instance. But we're going to assume that you're going to do it for yourself. So you would write your name along the bottom, inscribe that with your nail or your knife or your sharp implement, and then write that along the base. Inscribe it along the base with your sharp implement right there. Next thing you're going to do is to take that oil, that Queen Elizabeth oil, put a few drops on your hand and apply it to your candle in an upward motion. So you're going to take that oil and put it all over the candle, getting it all over, and especially on the top of the candle, because we're going to be putting some herbs on the top there. So you want to put that on in an upward motion all over your candle, because we're going to be putting herbs on that candle, around that candle. As you're doing this, you can say your petition, your intention, say your prayer, your thoughts, visualize or speak it out loud. Once you've done that, you're going to take your petition paper, fold it toward you. If you want to fold it again, if it's not small enough, you can turn it clockwise and fold it again toward yourself, because you're bringing something in. Place it on your tray and then place your candle on top of that. Now we're ready to start using the herbs. The first herb that we're going to use is Master of the Woods. And when you use that Master of the Woods, you're going to sprinkle it all along the top of the crown of the candle. As you sprinkle it on the crown of the candle, you can say the words, "May all my endeavors be crowned in mastery." Master of the Woods is used to bring your success and mastery in whatever it is. In this case, love, right? Although you could use, as I said, other colors for other issues besides love and romance, but red is for that passionate love. The next thing you're going to use is that Queen Elizabeth root. Now this is a cut and sifted Queen Elizabeth root. And this you're going to sprinkle around the candle, on the base of the candle, around the base of the candle. As you do that, you can say the words, I carry myself as the queen that I am. Really affirming that queenly energy, that you are a queen and that you are powerful. And you sprinkle that around and you can sort of shape it into a square or a circle around your candle. The next herb that you're going to use is Calamus root. That's for power, empowerment. And we'll sprinkle that Calamus root around on top of where we put the Queen Elizabeth root. So opening up that packet, there's some cut and sifted Calamus root. You sprinkle that around, and as you do that, you say, I am powerful and I attract all good things to me. This spell really is about that confidence that you create that attracts all those good things to you. And then smooth it around, make it in a circle, kind of nudge it around till you get a nice shape there. Lastly, you have your herb that is for your particular intention. In case of the red candle, we have rosemary. That rosemary is beautiful for attracting love, where you have power over the situation, power in the relationship. So as you sprinkle that rosemary, you say your intention, the intention that you wrote on your petition paper or some variation of that. So you could say, for example, I attract a love that empowers me. I attract the perfect love into my life, or whatever it is that you are intending. Finally, we are ready to light the candle. So you get your matches or your lighter, you light that candle and you speak your intention one last time. And you can add at the end, it is done, so be it, or something of that nature. There you go. Now you let your candle burn when you're awake and at home. When you go to sleep at night or you leave the house, you snuff your candle out, you don't blow it out, and then you relight it when you come back home again. Once the candle has burned completely, you can take those remains, pack them up, take them off your tray and pack them up. Either put them in a cloth, wrap them up in a cloth, or put them in a brown paper bag. You can take that bag with your spell remains, put it somewhere in your home. You can put it somewhere, in this case with a love spell, you could put it between your mattress and your box spring, put it in a drawer or a closet somewhere else. Keep those remains until your spell manifests. In this case, attracting the love into your life, an amazing love into your life, will be the result of this spell work. Once you've done that, you can take your spell work to a crossroads, take your package to the crossroads, leave it there, or you can bury it on your property and keep that energy going. So there you have it, a beautiful Egyptian Queen spell done with the Egyptian Queen spell kit that we have available at the Parlor of Wonders. You can find this spell kit and me online at parlorofwonders.com. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to doing another spell with you again soon.